Hey, what's up, y'all? Happy Friday to you. Made it another week, man. Like the market is on the tear. 52 week. Sorry, man. VOO just made a new 52-week high. The tech stocks, Magnificent Seven, all that is on the rise. Like you see, the market is moving forward. Couple plays I've been giving y'all. Dividend stocks are going up. We're gonna ride some of these stocks up. Some of them are still down. Gonna definitely take advantage of those, but we're gonna cash up, man. I want to start off with this one here. Y'all subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, watch my recent videos, share my channel also. Let's start with OXXQ, Oxford Square Capital. Notice paid 3.5 cents a share a month. This one here been on a little rip last couple of days. Got up to date of 225. Looking at last week, there you go, it's going up. But like I said, we're gonna ride the market up. What I mean by that, right now it's trading at $2.24. I got 1,748 shares at $2.45. When I ride it up, it mean like the day, got a low today of 223. So I'm at 245. So what I would do, put a buy limit order in, do my like I was doing my 5 shares. I put 2.23 and ride it on up. I'll be buying these every day until it hit my $2. Until it hit my average cost of $2.45. And once it surpasses that, I'm not buying anymore. But it's still at a good price, even at $2.50. Because you look at the 52-week low, it's $2.14 with a high of $3.10. But what I would do, just for me, I might buy more, but I probably just cash up on it. I'm in a good space with it. But even at $2.50, it's still a buy. I mean, it is. But being at 245, I can just say I'm not buying anymore unless the market crashed and it hit there, because there's always a bear market somewhere. And if I'm looking at that just for dividends, there's other dividend plays I can get at that I can lower my average cost down to have that same similar yield, if not more. So that's just my opinion of my system, how I do things. We got the Dow. It's green 2720. I'm at 3979. See, instead of me putting that money at OXXQ, I can put it right here in the Dow. Does it have a similar yield? No, it's lower, but it's all about lowering your average cost. So that's what I mean when I say that. So I'm gonna ride it up to the 245. For y'all that just starting this play, y'all should be up. So y'all should be in accumulation mode or trying to get your 100 shares. So that is what you want to do. I mean, you can ride it on up. Like I said, got a high of $3.10. And it's probably gonna go past that, go back to the 323, 325 range. Just to be honest, everything goes good. But let's get it in, man. We're gonna go with HRZN, Horizon Technology. This one's still down and bearish, $7.20. Definitely gonna take advantage of this. Start to get $5 worth of these prices. So it's not just that. Not saying you're running out of stuff to buy, but just take advantage of these. Cause once this start to get above that $8 range, I'ma just chill anyway. All right, Arbor Realty Trust. Why am I buying it? P ratio 10.56, undervalued, 15.22% dividend yield. 52-week high is $15.94 with a low of $8.43. So that being said, that's why I'm buying it, for that yield. It did cut its dividend from 40 cents or 43 cents to 34 cents. But it says we'll hike it back up when things get good. Like I said, you're gonna be holding this to 2027 or later when them interest rates really get down. Got Wendy's. Dollar cost averaging down in this one too, taking advantage of these. We're gonna go with PFLT, Pendant Float. $10.26 with its 10 cent a share dividend. OXLC is on the tail. PSEC. Prospect Capital. 5 shares of this every day. Like I said, y'all can take advantage of these low prices. Doing that $3.15, riding this stock up. USOY pays out weekly now. It's at $9.28. This is definitely one I am buying. I already got $5 worth today. I'm gonna get another $5 while online with y'all. I got a 76% dividend yield. Need to lower my average cost right here. I might go get about 25 shares right now, to be honest. I'm thinking about it, but I just brought 50 shares in my other one, so I don't want to go hard on both of them. I'm going to use this as just my fractional shares, the cash up. Use my margin on it, but let the margin pay itself back at the same time. KHC is one I'm about to double up on. Kraft Heinz. Especially at these prices here. I need to get my average cost down on this one, at least by that $29 range. USOI. I like this below 62, 63 bucks. But got to buy at these ranges here too. Also, to lower that average cost. ARR. Like I said, when the market go green, you're going to be running out of stocks to buy. So as you see my trade, my buy list getting shorter. And the time of my trades every day getting also shorter too. Go with ORC, not ORCA, I'm sorry. ORC, I already got my 1,000 shares here. With this, I'm just basically just lowering my average cost here on this one. I got an average cost of $8.07 in my other portfolio. I'm not buying any there. I'm thinking about selling my position there. I got probably over $12,000, if not more, in that. I get probably about 300 something bucks a month from ORC. I just don't want to be too overweight in it. Ready Capital's double-digit yield. Like I said, I just don't want to be too overweight with it. I'm thinking about selling it in that one and keeping it in this one. And I could take them 12 grand or whatever and put it in like USOY. Or I might just do ULTY to get them weekly dividends, man. That'll put my account on steroids then. So that's what I'm looking to do. But it's probably going to be a second before I get over that $8 mark. But I'm going to sell it at the 52-week high. So I'm going to hold it and milk it for that dividend. But I'll let y'all know what's going on during that time. But still going to buy it here. Like I said, this is the time you buy, accumulate a little bit, but cash up at the same time. Hudson Pacific. As you know, lately I wasn't buying any. 52 low, 178 with a high of 628. I'm just watching to see if it's going to come down. I want it below the $2.50 mark. So being that, I was just chilling on it. Granite Point Mortgage, 161 with a high of 266. I'm at 293, just watching to see what it's going to do. I want this round about the $2 mark. Because they say we still got a recession looming. We're going to see what's going to happen between July and September with the interest rates. And just came out the day that the strike that Trump did to the Iran, the kill out those missiles or whatever. They say they still have some more missiles somewhere else, some nuclear missiles. So we'll see what's going to happen there with that. This is swing trade here. This is pets. Advise y'all to stay out of this one. Get $10 worth for that. All this gonna be sold at the $4 and over mark. Just want to bring down that average cost here. Like I said, a lot of stuff I'm cleaning up. I'm gonna get rid of a lot of REITs. AB, just want to see where we at. Alliance Bernstein. I'm actually up in this 4.5 billion, 8.22% yield. I'm thinking about selling this and just not a bad start, just a half though. And put it into like QYLD or RYLD. I get a 12% dividend yield. RPT, it's one by Rhythm. 228 is the low, high 386. I think this gonna do some real damage on this one here, man. Cause they RPT is owned by Rhythm, RTHM or RTM, the other stock that pays a monthly dividend. But we're gonna see what's gonna happen. I'm gonna put this on my list. I'm gonna get 5 shares a week. And this one, RPT. 5 shares. Got Carver State Bank. I was giving y'all some of these plays. This on the rise. I did sell some the other day at like $1.84, $1.79. The rinse and repeat. Arbor Realty, we got that. Redwood Trust, keeping for that dividend for now. Pine, AFCGs, all that's good. We got ORC, SLVO, just cashing up with the dividend, not below my average calls. SDIV, want that to come back down. I'm just gonna keep it for the dividend for now. Just cashing up, just in case a crash do come, you can have some money to put out. Even though I'm using margin, I'm not about to run out no money. See, I got like 148 grand. But remember, you got to pay that money back, and I'm gonna let the dividends pay it back while I'm cashing up. Coney is down, so Fiat is up. TSLY, see if I can get that around that $8 and under. Just keep it for the dividend for now. Shamara Investments is another REIT at 1408. Like I say, I just want to cash up for a minute. Got Wendy's, we got that. YMAX, I want some of that, but around the 12.50 mark, under the 13 at the minimum. The most I want to pay for that, shall I say. 2 of them I want to look at. All right. IWMY, which is the Russell 2000. This the yield max, but the finest one that pays out weekly. Right now you can see this on the rise or a tear, whatever you want to call it. This pays out weekly. 52-week high is 43.65 with a low of 21.84. So, all right, this the Russell 2000. And you can see for the last month, this trading in the sideways pattern last week, same old thing. I want to see if this going to pull back. This is a little volatile. I'm just cashing up on the dividends, but you can pair this with RYLD. This the Global X covered calls on the Russell 2000. As you can see, they both green. RYLD is a buy at 16 and under. This a little less volatile though. We're going to trade between this range here. Like I said, you get the $17, you're going to get 17 cents a share a month. But like I say, can I buy now? Yes. My average calls right now is 15.28. That's why I'm not touching it. And then, like I said, I want to cash up just in case this go back below the 14.50 mark. I can buy. This will buy at 17 and under. Hope I can get this round. If it's crash or something happen, it's going to go back down. I like to get this round 16.30 and under. That's why I say I'm not going to buy it. Even though I could dollar cost average on in, there's other plays I can put the money that I'm trying to make an exit out of. And then if I want to do it solely for the dividend, I'd rather go this route with ULTY or IWMY or QQQY or something that pays out weekly, like this one. See, we got a dividend payment right now. As you can see, I haven't been buying any of this. This is what I've been getting every week in my history. I haven't been buying any because I like it around the $6 mark. So payment today coming out, paying almost 9.5 cents a share. So I just been reinvesting the dividends. But I'll put the money right here. So this one I need to come down in anyway at USOY. As you can see, it's a dividend payment coming out today, pending almost 20 cents a share. This also pays out weekly now. So but like I say, this is my fractional share portfolio. I can buy and cash up at the same time. I did buy 50 shares at $9.28 this week. This got a 52-week low at $9.25. See, this is the bad thing about holding two positions of any stock, unless you got a reason. I don't want to buy 50 shares in one and 50 shares in the other at the same price. I can dollar cost average $2, $3, $4, $5 when it go deeper. It's easy for me to throw $2, $3, $5 than buy it in a portfolio where I got about a minimum of one share. So that's what I'm doing here. I'm trying not to do that. I just dollar cost, just buy full shares in my Webull, because you can't do fractional shares on certain stocks there. But that's the route I'm going, man. Right now. That's it for the trade for today, man. Enjoy your weekend. Y'all stay cool. And also, man, stay safe, man. It's a crazy world we like living in. The climate of the United States is crazy. The climate everywhere is crazy, man. If it ain't one thing with violence, you got to worry about a plane catching fire or going down or other stuff, man. Just seen a notification of a train just hit a car. I think it was up north, like somewhere. So something always going on, man. So keep y'all head on the swivel. Also watch those shorts that I put out too, man. I give y'all another route of going. Last night I did like 3 of them. I did Realty O versus Main Street Capital. I do a bunch of little shorts for you to see. They all under 3 minutes, but it give you other ways to go besides the high dividend yield, monthly and weekly cash flow. Some of them are like dividend growth stocks. You might not get the double-digit yield though, but you will get that growth with it, the price appreciation. So that's another route to go at it too. So y'all make sure y'all watch those, man. I give y'all all this game for free $99. Signing off. Go get your money.